In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube short to a Squarespace website. This is a quick and simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute or two. The main idea is that you'll copy the link from your YouTube short, then paste it into an embed block inside Squarespace so the video can appear on your site. To begin, go to the YouTube short that you want to add. On the short, click the share option and then click copy. This copies the video link to your clipboard so you can use it in Squarespace. Make sure you copy the correct short before moving on, especially if you're working with several videos. Once you've copied the link, head over to Squarespace and open the page where you want the YouTube short to appear. It's a good idea to already be in edit mode so you can place the video exactly where you want it on the page. Now, look for the Add Block option and click it. This opens the block menu, which is where you can insert different types of content into your Squarespace page. Since you're adding a video through a link, you'll be using an embed block rather than uploading anything directly. In the block search area, type in the word embed. Squarespace will filter the available block types and show you the matching option. When you see embed, click on it to add that block to the page. After the embed block is added, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the settings for that specific block and lets you enter the video source. If the block appears empty at first, that's completely normal. You just need to edit it and add your link. Now paste the YouTube short link into the field provided. Squarespace should recognize the link and generate the embedded video preview automatically. If it takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds. As long as the link is valid, the preview should appear. At this point, you can review how the short looks on your page and make sure the placement works well with the rest of your content. If needed, you can move the block later, but the important part is that the video is now connected through the embed link. And that's it. You've successfully added a YouTube short to your Squarespace website using an embed block. It's a very practical way to bring short-form video content directly onto your site and keep your pages more engaging.